Hey everyone, Pat Mitchell here, and in this free video lesson from TrickTrades, I'm going to show you how to bank huge using the SPY and the Qs. So let's get into it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you can be notified when TrickTrades goes live to answer your day trading questions. So today, actually, maybe we should start with the week, okay? So this week has been absolutely incredible. First off, I want to say before I get into this, I've been seeing this everywhere on social media this week and the week before. People saying that, oh, it's such a snooze fest and it's so slow out there. If you're saying that this market is slow and a snooze fest, I got a news flash for you. You're doing it wrong. You are trading the wrong stocks. This has been the most volatile that the market has been in years. Okay, I mean, just look at a volatility like UVXY. This is volatile. Look at the volume going in. Like this, it's incredible. It's incredible market. Uh, People are saying this is the start of a bear market. I'm starting to agree that it is. We're definitely in correction territory. It did bounce from the 200. Once it breaks the 200, we're definitely in for a ride. And you will see at the beginning of bear markets, this is what happens. You get this yo-yo effect. Okay, it'll go down, and you'll get these violent swings, both back and forth, massive down days, big up days, massive down days, big up days. It's that tug of war between bulls and bears. People don't know whether to be long the market. They're looking for any type of a situation, any type of a trigger to go long back in the market to buy the dip, and then, oh shit, I was wrong, and then they sell. It's a back and forth, and it's going to be this way for a while. Now, that being said, with me saying that I do believe that this is the beginning of a bear market. I'm not saying that the market can't come back up to test highs or even slightly break them. This is the beginning. Okay, this is the turning point. So be very careful moving forward. Especially with long positions, because I do want to point something out. Like with Nvidia here today, we'll get these panics out of nowhere, and you see how it hit the VWAP here, and this is a trade that someone had asked me about today, and I said, yeah, it looks good. It's on the VWAP. I thought about taking it, and I thought about taking it right here at the break, okay, of this line. And some members in the room, they were able to get in, and they really capitalized instantly. They were able to get 8 points, over almost 9 points out of this. By the time they would have been able to get out on the bounce here, it's about 6. Okay, so 6 points within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Okay, now these are the types of trades and the types of moves that you have to wait for in markets like this. But this video lesson, like I've said, is how to use the SPY and the Qs alongside with your trading certain tickers to really bank and really capitalize. So let's get into it. We'll maybe go to what board should I use? Well, we can go to this just to start. So we'll go to this. Okay, now I know, don't worry, we'll switch boards, but I just want you to see, okay, this is the SPY. Okay, so this is an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. It's also a vehicle that makes you basically able to trade the market if you want. Some people, a lot of retail traders, like on your guys' side of things, they don't. I've got a couple members in the room that like to trade the SPY. I'll trade the SPY every once in a while, but don't be scared of it because of the price, all right? Because you don't need a lot of shares. It's really volatile, especially right now, so you get big swings up and down. So take a look. What time did the market bounce? The market bounced at about 1:40 p.m. Where did it bounce from? Okay, right here. This red line is the 200 SMA on the daily chart. Now, I was telling people in the room, if the market gets down to that level, watch for a bounce because that's when bulls will step in. And that's what it did, right? So my traders were prepared for that. And this is how I have my main board look up on my main monitor. So then I can watch the daily chart, the last few candles coming into certain levels on the day, such as moving averages, trend lines, support and resistance. I have it all marked out so then I can see during the daily where it's going to bounce from. So we were all prepared for it. And where did it bounce? Like I said, right off that 200 SMA. So at about 1:40 p.m., give or take a couple of minutes, the market bounced right off that level, okay? And where did it bounce here? Where did it bounce on Twitter? And Twitter follows the market, 1:40 p.m. Where did it bounce on Facebook? 1:40 p.m. Where did it bounce on NVIDIA? NVIDIA actually, the bounce is a little different, 1:40 p.m. So even though they may be a little bit different, these stocks that follow the SPY, and actually, to be technical, Facebook, NVIDIA, Twitter, they'll actually follow the Qs. This is the ETF that tracks big tech and NASDAQ. And NASDAQ is all big tech. NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple is another one that we can throw up there. We'll throw Apple up here. Right? Same time though, right? What do you know? 1:40 p.m., right? So the Qs is something if you're playing big tech like Apple, NVIDIA, Twitter, Tesla, all of those stocks, use the Qs, okay, to track instead of the SPY. I keep them both up. I like to refer to the SPY though because you'll get, oops, I'll put that here because I do want to take a look. So VRX is tracked on the SPY. That hit the perfect, and it also gave another trigger with a higher low here. So I want to show you now. I'll flip back over here, and just so then you guys are able to see a little bit better. We'll get that blown up. So, okay. As the market's coming down, oh, also, I might as well show you guys this. Okay, now, previously in this video lesson, I showed you the NVIDIA trade. And NVIDIA, right here, it was looking pretty weak. It bounced off the VWAP coming down, and it was starting to approach this level right about here, okay? Now, I announced it. And the reason why I announced it was because the SPY was looking weak right here. Okay, so I use the SPY all the time and the Qs to have other trades, other tickers set up. So it was starting to roll over. It was right on some levels here, and I called it out in chat. I'm like, hey everyone, I think the market's about to panic out for a little bit, so there's definitely some trades that you guys can look at, and NVIDIA was one that I had mentioned. So lots of time to get in. Okay, so I announced it right here. Okay, and then what happened? So at that time, we're looking at 10:37 a.m. And then NVIDIA was also approaching this level at 10:37, so it was actually up here a little bit. Okay, so perfect. Oh yeah, that's right too. Yeah. Because it just bounced off the VWAP. That's right. So it just bounced off the VWAP and was looking really good. So plenty of time. It's not even a chase up here. It looks good. You have set risk reward, set risk. And I mean, guys, from the time I called it out to the very bottom, 12 points. 12 points. Now, you're probably looking right and you're looking at the price of of NVIDIA. At that price, it was at $230 per share. So let's bring this in just to put things into perspective, okay? So, okay. So how many shares can you take? Okay. So if you bought, let's say, 100 shares, okay, that's 23,000 you need in your account. So let's say you took 50 shares. 50 shares, and I got to move this away for a sec. And you got in when I alerted it, because you saw what I was seeing, okay? And you were able to get some covers on this last washout candle, and you should always cover into big washouts. So that's $10.27 a share. So times 10, 27. What do you come away with? $513 off of 50 shares. Don't be afraid to trade these stocks, okay? Don't be afraid. And you know what? Let's say your account isn't big enough for 50 shares, okay? You can take 25 shares. So 25 shares times 232. So you need 5,800 bucks. Now with margin, you should be able to swing that, okay? Hell, let's say you don't have that. You don't have that because some of you are playing with really small accounts, and that's fine. That's fine. So you could take 10 shares. So 10 times 232, you're looking at 2,300 bucks in your account with margin, okay? Now this is how you utilize margin properly. So let's say you take 10 shares and it drops $10.27 a share. You're looking at 102 bucks within 5 minutes, guys. What more do you want in a small account? $100 a day, okay, is what is that? I guess that'd be $25,000 a year, okay? In a year's time, you can have the amount of money to play with an account that gets you over the PDT rule and all of that. Okay, this stuff takes time. Small account building takes time. Okay, now let's say you don't want to wait and a whole year. Well, here's the thing, guys. As the account gets growing, as the days go by, and you're making 50 to 100 bucks a day, give it a few months. Don't be in a rush. What's a few months out of your life right now? A lot of you guys are young. Who cares? And some of the older guys, who cares? Who cares? Time is time. Be patient, guys. And big things will happen. You need a positive mindset as a trader. If you don't have a positive mindset and you're always negative and telling yourself that, oh, I'm shit and this and that, you'll never make it. You'll never make it, my friends. You'll never make it. Remain positive, okay? So that's what I want to show you guys. How to use the SPY in correlation with other tickers, the SPY and the Qs, I should say, and in correlation with other tickers to really capitalize. I mean, this was a huge trade. What other stocks can you get like 10, 11, 12 points out of them in like 10 minutes, 5, 10 minutes? You can't, guys. Okay? You can't. So, these are the types of trades. You need to be playing proper stocks, okay? Proper stocks are extremely predictable, and I need you guys to see this. And I'm not saying that you need to trade $232 stocks. There's lots of cheap stocks out there too, like $10, $15 stocks that are going to follow the market. I mean, look at Twitter. A $30 stock, right? And let me... So off of here, when you saw the SPY bounce off of the 200 SMA, now you should have the conviction in that, and you absolutely should to jump in. It's gonna bounce. I'm telling you guys, it's going to bounce. You need to have faith in these setups and technical setups because they work. So let's say you took that all the way up to the top, right? And you saw some topping action. This candle scared you, and you were able to get out somewhere in here. Okay, so $1.21 a share. So let's go back to the calculator. Pull it back up. So at $1.21, now let's figure out share size, okay? At a $30 stock, so a $31 stock times, I don't know, 200 shares. So 6 grand, okay? Now let's say it's just 100 shares for that. For our purposes, I'm really trying to get across to you guys that you don't need a lot. So only 100 shares times 100, 3,200 bucks, okay? So your position size was 3,200 bucks, and with margin, you should be able to swing that. You know, I mean, most places offer at least 4-to-1 margin, so you should be able to take that. So 100 shares of a $32 stock is $3,200, and what did you make off that trade? $1.21 a share, right? So times $1.21. Nope, sorry, that's wrong. 100 shares times $1.21. There you go. Right? 121 bucks. Right? And for those of you that are trading with a little bit bigger accounts, you know, so 1,000 shares times $1.21. I know we all know the answer here, but $1,210. You just made. And if you make $1,000 a day, and you're not gonna make that at the beginning, by the way, guys, you won't. Don't let these fake Twitter rock stars fool you into them taking 20. I saw this guy claiming he's taking 20,000 shares of Netflix. No, he's not. Liars, fakers, paper traders. So, anyways, that's what I want to show you. Twitter bounced exactly when the market bounced off of the 200 SMA. And these are setups that I'm going to show you at TrickTrades.com. All right, guys. I talk about them in the chat room. I'm also getting lots of questions about whether I offer a free trial. No, I don't offer a free trial because I show you guys way too much educational information just on a daily basis. It's a very different type of chat room. It's not a basic just alert service-based type of chat room. I talk about trading setups and my strategy and psychology and so much during the day. I do not do free trials. The best I can do is a 20% off of your first month, and that's it. So if you hit me up on my social media, DM me, follow me, I'll follow you back, and then DM me. I'll give you that coupon code for 20% off your first month. So hit me up, and I hope you guys enjoyed the free video lesson. Thanks for your support. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Love y'all. Later, guys. Adios.